Hi, today in front of me Galaxy A14 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open the notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or just remove some of them or to change their positions, we should just click to this plus icon or to use these three dots on the right upper corner and click to edit buttons. So now we can see here this up section with invisible options which we can add to our home screen. So just to add them, we should just hold the icon and drag it to this down section. Just to remove some of the options, we should by the same way hold the icon and drag it to the up, and to change the positions of the icons we should just hold it and drag it, then just click to done to save the changes. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.